This is Marley. Marley looks like he has an attitude, but he really shouldn't. He no longer lives at Disney's Animal Kingdom. That's a good thing, because Marley has found a new home. Stay tuned to see why Marley moved from Disney's Animal Kingdom. Okay, we started our tour walking across the bridge here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. And it's called DinoLand, after dinosaur. And the theme was definitely prehistoric. I was narrating as I was walking along and trying to tell you everything that was happening. But Disney was playing the music so loudly that A, it was hard for you to hear me, and B, since I want to eventually make like $1 or $2 off this video, the music that was coming through, I didn't want it to be caught through the YouTube algorithm and AI thing, and they'll tell me that, yeah, you can keep your video up, but you can't make any money off of it because it's gonna, because you got a copyright thing happening there. Or even worse, a copyright strike, and then I'll have to, take everything down and redo it. So I decided to kind of narrate over what I'm saying. But yeah, we were walking through here, and me personally, it's okay if they retheme the area, but I do miss one ride, which is Primeval World, and I will put down in the bottom the link that we have when we did our point of view there. So that's Dino Bites. I really didn't eat there much, as you saw in the captions. It's kind of cute, but we were always either gonna go someplace else after we left Animal Kingdom, and then we were going to, or eat at Tusker House, which has character dining, but I like the food there. Marley, the crocodile that you saw at the beginning of the video, that was his home. He's no longer there. I had originally seen a post somewhere on the internet that Marley was somewhere at another home, like up northern Florida, but now I can't find that information, so I can't confirm that. I can't also confirm whether Marley will be back. So, there you go. As you can see, it looks like that some things that were previously open when I was there earlier, because this video is from January 2025. When I was there in December, I'll say August, October, and December in 2024, more things were open, like some of the eateries and the gift shop. But it looks like after the holidays happened, everything is done. The kiddie rides that you see there is definitely done. So that's the Dino-Rama, I think it says. Yeah, that's done. When I visited here way back with kids, like in the early mid 2000, like 2015, 2010, everything like that, the kid that I had with me was already too tall for some of the kiddie rides, so I don't have anything there. So Donald's Dino Bash there, that was the character greeting with Donald. Yeah, so I'm back again about this ride. I can't tell you too much about it, whether kids really liked it or not, because the kid that I had was ready to go on all the big adult rides and everything. So the wilderness must be explored? I guess so. The wilderness is no longer there. I'm gonna have to find the wilderness on the other side of the park. But it's gonna be interesting. I will be back and keep posting as many videos as I can, as much information as I can. And if I find out information like in between my visits, because I'm the NYC Traveler, I'm in New York, I'm not as lucky as those other as the other pass holders who actually live in Florida and can go and actually, visit like daily or weekly and then give you like day by day updates. I can't do that. So when I get down there, I'll show you what we've got. That's going to be interesting when that huge dinosaur comes down. Now, if you didn't know, and I'll try to get some more video up, it was a dinosaur theme, but it was also the theme of like the old school theme parks. They had actually the games were over here, and it was supposed to be like it was set up in, how you have those fairs in the parking lots, and you saw the actual parking lot lines, like cars were supposed to be parked there like it was a parking lot. And at first I didn't get it when I was like, oh my god, why didn't they do that? And I was like, oh yeah, they actually were putting up like a fair. This is probably entertainment. There's drummers set up there. I didn't stay long enough that day to see the entertainment. Now let me tell you something a little bit about that day. This had to be one of the coldest Januaries I had ever been in Disney. I've been there when it's cold, but the entire week that I was there, it was cold. So there's Felicia Rashad, and she is narrating the dinosaur. Dinosaur ride is supposed to go. People are having absolute fits on the internet. If you do a search, you'll see blogs all over the place crying about dinosaur. I'm the one that was crying about Primeval World. Nobody seemed to really care, but dinosaur is like, prompted a whole bunch of people going, oh my god, no. So yeah, she's that ride is supposed to go as well. It's supposed to be an Indiana Jones dark ride. I'm assuming that they're going to keep the mechanics and just change the movie and everything like that. I mean, obviously that's her from the 90s, and now we're like 30 years later, so the movie could have been updated. But this is the dinosaur ride. I've tried to do some point of views. It's a jerky ride, and when I use my GoPro, it doesn't do well in the dark. I'll try to see if I can find the video anyway. But meanwhile, here's the intro to the dinosaur ride. You're supposed to be going someplace, taking a tour, and this guy here takes you the wrong way on purpose to try to bring back a dinosaur that he's not supposed to have. And it gets a little crazy, and he gets you out in time. But it's a fun ride, and I think a lot of people are going to miss it.
He is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures. I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period. And I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in, use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times.
Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing.
Those locked coordinates?
We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon. Then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom! You're back
Okay,
with one additional
that was our
passenger
tour
extra
of the soon-to-be extinct
Don't worry about that
DinoLand.
asteroid.
We'll
It
keep
may
you
have
up to
there before you
date
embrace
with
the atmosphere.
whatever happens
Trust
at
me.
Animal
What could
Kingdom.
go wrong?
I'm the NYC Traveler here at Disney in January 2025 on a very cold day, despite what people are wearing. Thanks for touring with us.